Hello, everybody, and welcome to BitBrothers Crypto, the best channel on the internet to talk about crypto. Guys, today I'm alone again. My brother Casca had a urgent family matter to solve today. And yes, we're going to go quickly have a look what's going on in the market. What's your thoughts? We have this massive dump of Bitcoin. Are you still expecting to go any lower? We keep saying this channel here that we expect that it goes lower than that, but again, you know, nothing in this market is sure for sure. But bullish at the same time with the ETH merge. And let's see what's gonna happen. It's still holding strong above $1,500, but yeah, but everything dropped really hard yesterday. So we can see here today on the Bitcoin on the market chart, like still have $938 billion on the total market cap, and the ETH dominance is at below 20%. Yes, it was above 20%, but the Bitcoin dominance is still holding strong. So that means, money came off definitely the altcoins, okay, as well. So opportunities all over the board. Okay, guys, today I was looking at many specialist analysts talking about what's going to happen next. We're going to talk about this. And guys, the bottom, if it's not in, it's close to be in. Okay, so opportunities are that right now. So be with us that we're going to talk about this. So I analyze, this is from LTRD. I analyze data from a couple of exchanges related to today's drop in the crypto market. Of course, I focus on Bitcoin because it was seen that Bitcoin was the catalyst. Prepare tea or coffee, focus on yourself for a couple of minutes, and come with me on a data journey. So he explains many things that happened for this drop. And I really want to read that to you guys because I think it's important as well for us to understand what's going on. First, look at the trade data from exchange. As you can see, absolute Wild West on the plot. You have to have watermelon balls if you want to be a market maker on such a market. Sometimes it pays off, but it's highly uncontrolled. So the profit is random with high variance. Okay, you can see here how crazy everything happens. Binance per Binance Spot, and Bybit is the green, and FTX is the red. Looking Bybit, guys, look how crazy the volatility was. 19,600 all the way to 19,100. So there probably was a lot of liquidations happening there. So it's crazy. It can be seen that due to the high volatility and latency of the order execution, liquidity on Bybit disappeared. Probably, as far as we all know, Bybit. Some giga degen chads were liquidated and no market maker wanted to take this liquidity. Wow, crazy. You can see something strange about volume imbalance right before the drop. It was significantly lower than on the rest of the interval, which means big sell pressure. You can see here on the Bybit that there was a big sell pressure there. Okay, you can see it from here. Look at that. That's crazy. You can see how liquidity disappeared before the event. After the drop, there is no liquidity in the book, even if spreads were significantly larger. Show the graphic here. Ask volume, bid volume. Look at that. So a lot of things happening with these leverage traders, guys. So I think they're manipulating the market as well. Okay, so we started talking about spread. So this is the data related to the spread. You can see that there is a huge spike for about 1 minute and then it decays, but not to the pre-event level. Look at that. To buy still it's on Bybit, guys. On Bybit that everything happened really is now. You can see here. We can see that on Bybit we had a spike before the event, which is really interesting. Just before the event, look at this. It went all the way up there. CVD, here we do not have surprises. Most of the volume was traded on Binance futures, which is normal. The interesting thing is that Bybit had some big market orders 2 times that were relatively huge in comparison to standard market orders. It took about 4 seconds from the first trade on Binance Spot for the price 19,600, about 750 Bitcoin on the order, to the complete finish of this order. 4 seconds, guys. Wow. After that, it was huge influx of market sell orders on more and more disappearing liquidity. I tried to measure the latency during the drop, but I had to exclude FTX because the latency was so big that plots were not so valuable. So I prepared a second plot only with Binance Spot and Binance Futures date. So then he shows the graphics of both on both exchanges, latency on exchange FTX. So you can see that everything's happened very, very quickly, guys. Of course, we see a lot of spikes, but if we go deeper, there are a lot of really interesting things right there. The main drop was right after 5:05 p.m. So we had a spike of latency a couple of seconds before the drop. Price was way above 19,600. It is really valuable because we can ask if it was some manipulation related to the quote placing or something like that. In the early days of the high time frame, we had a lot of market manipulation and spoofing, especially image from 2012 year with high activity with a couple of seconds. So then he compared the market. Guys, for me, actually, I read this. It's very confusing because you should know about latency and all these things. And if you understand about that, I think you should really read that. And I can't really explain much of all of this for you. So I think it's interesting to read, but I think we need to go a little bit deeper. Of course, for more I understood about this, guys, once again, it's the leverage that people put on the trades, okay, and of course market manipulation, guys. And I think it's going to happen even more now for us to reach the 12k. I think some massive market manipulation is going to happen for us to go and reach the 12k. I truly believe, like I said, once again, it's not financial advice, that we're going to go lower. I truly believe that. So, but then we can say via Aurelien Ohayon, Bitcoin is ready for a new bull market. Trend reversal is in progress and classic formation of a macro bottom confirmed by the extreme oversold values of the weekly KDJ. So he put it here. He's comparing all the market, guys. You can see it 2013, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21. So every time we had this drop below this line here, there was the next bull run happen there. Okay. So he expect a trend reversal right now, but I think we have room here. Can you see? He still left some kind of green space here. I think we have room for that, and I think this could be playing out in the next month also. Okay. So another thing I have for you today is this one, guys. I found it really nice. I keep bringing you things also to help you study. Quick method to find DeFi protocols which with improving fundamentals. We always want to find about the fundamentals of the project, right? So you can go to Token Terminal, which is this website here. I'm gonna put in the comments for you right now, so you can kind of have a look what's happening. So it's there on the comments, guys. So you go to this website. Where is it? Sorry. And then you scroll down to the data table, select total revenue, sort by 30-day trend. Find a protocol with growth in the 7-day and 30-day trend due diligence. So that means, guys, you go here. Okay. So normally when you enter the website, let's go to home again. So you just click home and then you go down and it's here. Total revenue is here. Simple. And then you click 30-day trend. So this is the downwards, and you click again, you're gonna go the highest. See cash at the moment, and it's in a 7-day trend as well. Look at this, 23,000% in the 7 days, plus 23. Maybe it's just 23, right? No, it's like 680%. Wow. SudoSwap, Kusama, Stellar, Homura, Cryptex, Ran. Ren is really good, guys. Maybe we should be looking at Ren. Okay, 3.09 million total revenue in 180 days, 667,000. So market cap is quite small. Okay, so Ren maybe should be one of the coins for us to be looking at this week. If you're gonna take this, so 30 days, 96%, and on the 7 days, 33%. And then we had, but you can look, guys. That's why you need to be careful. Look at this, Omora, 180% on the 30 days, 150% on the 7 day. But today, 24-hour trend minus 99%. But look at Stella, guys. Stella's quite good. Wow. Stella Kusama has been amazing this week, huh? Stella and Kusama, things for us to look, what's happening. So this is the fundamentals. That means that they are really strong fundamentals. They are really investing on the project. There's a lot of things happening on the project. Okay, guys. So go and have a look and check that out and do your own due diligence again. Okay. And once again, guys, follow us on Twitter, please. Twitter, guys, if you have the good accounts, I've done a video where I put all the accounts that I follow. They're amazing TAs and amazing giveaways. There's like all their drops, NFT projects here. You can follow us on BitBrothers Crypto. Okay, so you can see so many things about what's happening on the market. So Crypto Rover, for example, said Bitcoin bear markets are where millionaires are made. These little things, guys, that you read every day gives you assurance that we are on the right track. Okay, and there's so many good people here, like Alex Becker. I like his comments a lot. Okay, Sheldon Evans is a very, very strong YouTube channel as well. And then you have Cointelegraph websites where you can, why did Bitcoin drop below 20K? And then they ask questions to the crowd, and then many good people come and answer. I saw this answer today as well. Viraj is a TA. He's been saying that this was going to happen. We have this kind of orange box here that we're not going to, you can see his post is 15th of August, 12th, and 24th of August. Looks choppy on daily. Expected path for the short-term trend with a decent level for the bounce. Okay, so he keeps saying that we're not gonna go because we have a triple top here, and he's playing out very, very accurately his calls. So I think this will give you an edge in front of everyone else who are not in crypto and trying to just by luck entering and start to trade. Okay, guys. So this is it for today. Let's go to the moon, my brother. This is it. So guys, check projects I said today. Ren, it's a project for us to keep an eye this week. You could see that on the 30 days and the 7 days, there's a lot of fundamentals changing on Ren. That means they're working really hard on that. And this is very, very important. Okay, guys, remember fundamentals, community, and all of that is a combination of for you to find good projects. Okay. So, and of course, being here with us, watching the videos and sharing our contents. Okay, so if it's your first time here as well, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that. Yeah, and share our content. Send us some nice vibes here. Some comments would be great, guys. Any sort of comments will be great. Okay, and if you until now with us, comment BitBrothers family. I'm part of it. Okay, much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. Probably tomorrow me and Casca back again. Okay, and also send us your questions if you have any about the crypto market, and be ready for the ETH merge. Okay, 15th of September, 22nd of September, the ADA upgrade. Okay, and yeah, important dates right there. Take care, guys. See you